What's up, guys? Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and I just did a grocery haul. I got Lowe's foods to go. You order it online, they bring it out, put it in your car, but I just wanted to show you what I got. I got all of this for about $100. This is going to be breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the rest of the week, pretty much. We have a few things in our pantry, of course, and refrigerator that we're going to use up as well. But this is going to be the main stuff. So let me go through and show you what I got. Okay, so first thing I got was, hold on, let me get this right. Okay, so first thing I got was some new tea. Fat coffee or fat tea is a really good way to get extra fat into your diet to bump that fat macro up more closer to 80%. So I can't always drink coffee after about 2 or 3 o'clock. I can't drink coffee anymore. I won't be able to sleep. So I got these teas. So I'm going to check these out. I got this matcha. I got this herbal sampler with a bunch of different flavors in it. And then I got, of course, some chai. So I'll have one of these in the afternoon. Sometimes I like to have these at night. You can add a little bit of MCT oil, a little bit of butter, just to get more fat into your day. Let's see. Almond milk, unsweetened vanilla almond milk. Regular milk is actually pretty high in carbs, and I personally need the calcium, so I like this. I don't drink this all the time, but if I get a craving for milk, sometimes when I'm eating my chocolate at night, I want some milk, so I will drink this. This has less than 1 gram of carbs, net carbs, per serving. All right, then I got some ghee. Which is basically butter. It's clarified butter, grass-fed, supposed to be super good for you. I'm just going to use this like regular butter, and I'll let you know how I like it. All right, next thing is bacon. So the thing about bacon is a lot of bacon has extra added sugar. So you want to double check and make sure you're getting bacon that does not have extra added sugar. I am going to make both of these packs. I'm probably going to bake them in the oven until they're nice and crispy. And I'm going to eat a few slices of bacon for breakfast. You can have a couple of slices of bacon for snack. I also have this crazy idea that I want to try to melt some sugar-free chocolate and dip bacon in it and make some sort of like bacon candy. So I'll let you know if that turns out good. But bacon is a staple for sure. All right, so next thing I got is 2 pounds of ground chuck. What I'm gonna plan on doing with these is I'm gonna use 1 pound to make a ground, like a taco meat, ground beef taco meat. We'll eat that on tacos, we'll eat that on taco salads. I did get some soft tortilla, some low carb soft tortillas for my kids. So they'll eat theirs on tortillas. I'll probably make myself a cheese shell and eat my tacos that way. Or just put them on salad, which taco salad is one of my favorites. The other pound, I'm going to make meatballs. So I'll make meatballs. I'll cook them in some low-carb marinara sauce that I have, top them with a little bit of cheese. That is a delicious dinner, and it's also good for meal prepping lunches. So the next thing I got is these chicken thighs. So I'll marinate these in just some olive oil, some herbs and spices, you know, whatever I feel like having that day. We'll probably have these tomorrow. So I'll decide what kind of flavor I want to do tomorrow. But chicken thighs, those are great. And I'll probably bake those. And then for later in the week, I've never tried these before. This is just wild salmon. It's steakhouse flavor. It's not the flavor that I wanted. They were sold out of the flavor that I wanted. And the this does have a tiny bit of extra added sugar, but not much. And for one fillet, it's only 1 net carb. So this is a pretty easy meal for a busy weekday. All right, so next I got this rice cauliflower. So that's a good side. You can use this just like rice. Be good in, taco bowls, something like that. It's probably what I'll eat it with. I'm not sure. This fajita blend. So what I'll probably do with the fajita blend is I'll pick up steaks later in the week and we'll do like steak fajitas. We eat a lot of Mexican food around here because I love it. But either way, you can use this fajita blend in eggs. If you want to make like a quick omelet, you can just put a little bit of this in that. It's an easy way to get extra veggies in. Sardines! Okay, so I don't mind sardines. I know they have kind of like a reputation, but I love tuna, I love salmon, I love every kind of fish like that. These sardines are cooked in olive oil, or they're not cooked in olive oil, but they're packed in olive oil. If you mash them up and put a little bit of mayonnaise in them, they taste a lot like tuna salad, which I like. So the macros are really good on these. Sardines are high in fat. They are so good for you. 0 carbs, obviously. So 1 can of this is 20 grams of fat, 240 calories. So the macros are great for keto. Okay. So next I got these Bird's Eye mashed cauliflower. So this one is original, and then this one is the sour cream and chives. So that will be a good side with my meatballs that we're having later this week. Right, 2 avocados. That will go with my taco bowl that we're having tonight. I can also use these with my eggs and bacon, on top of my omelet, put it on top of salads. Like avocados are a great source of healthy fats. Then I got blackberries. So the only fruit that is really keto approved is the low glycemic fruits, which are blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, and it's in small quantities, but I do like these, so I will be eating these as a little snack. And then I got these little cheese slices. You can see they're like little individual slices. These will be a great snack to grab, or you can just add them to your bacon in the morning as your breakfast. 2 things of cream cheese. Last thing. These 2 things of cream cheese. So cream cheese, there are some really, really yummy fat bombs that you can make to add extra fat into your day. They taste like sweets. They taste like desserts. My favorite one is a cookie dough fat bomb, and it uses cream cheese, so that's what I'm going to use these with. And if you want me to post that recipe, please comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you subscribe.